I made an area with a roof with beds, but they would rather sleep in random spots. I have 9. They're all happy otherwise, no real issues. I tried building beds outside as well, and it didn't fix it. Originally I had beds along the wall outside, and they slept there fine, but now they're just happy sleeping on the ground. Anyone had a similar experience?
These are the words of a Reddit user on the issue of Palworld sleeping not working, and the fix is on the other side of this intro. Before we get on to some general troubleshooting, I want you to hear some interesting comments on social media to fix this issue. If you wanna try any of them, do try it and let us know if it helped you. Comment 1.
Fixed itself when I just played through to the next night cycle.
Comment 2.
Did some testing. 1x1 stair with 1 SQ hole, added a tree station. None came up. Small ones climbed up a double stair, top hole 2x2. Med ones, dear horse, would not. Removed one more round stairs, then they would climb the stairs. It looks like a clearance thing. They think they are larger than they are.
Comment 3.
If you're playing with a friend, just hit respawn in the menu and have them revive you.
Comment 4.
It's a bug not associated with the boss. It happened to me and I haven't done the first boss yet. If you log out to the title screen and then log back in, it should be the next morning if you were laying in bed when you logged out.
Let's jump on some general troubleshooting. Ensure that you have the latest version of Palworld installed. Developers often release patches and updates to address bugs and improve game mechanics. Visit the official Palworld community forums or the developers support page to see if other players are experiencing similar issues. Developers often provide information and solutions in these forums. Make sure your computer or gaming device meets the game system requirements. Inadequate hardware or outdated drivers can sometimes cause unexpected issues. Double check the game controls and settings to make sure you are following the correct procedure for sleeping in Palworld. Sometimes, issues can arise from misunderstanding about how certain game mechanics work. If the problem persists, consider reporting the problem to the game developers. They may not be aware of the specific bug, and your report can help them identify and address it in future updates. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This can sometimes resolve issues related to corrupted game files. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.